Hi, my name is Markus Grønstad, and I work as a technical expert on IoT at Telenor. In the last year and a half, I worked with the implementation of two new communication standards designed for the Internet of Things, Narrowband IoT and LTE-M. During this time, I met with many developers, IoT service providers, and municipalities wanting to know more about the two technologies and how to pick the one that is better for their particular use case. If you wonder about the same, maybe this short video will be helpful. Internet of Things, or IoT for short, is just that. Connecting things and sensors to the Internet in order to collect, analyze, and use the data in various applications. For example, applications tracking the whereabouts of people and objects, automatic metering readings, as well as smoke and safety alarms. The list is endless. There are different ways to connect devices to the Internet, and Telenor has used its mobile network to transmit sensor data for the last 20 years. When we think of cellular IoT, we often think of 2G, 3G and 4G, but that is about to change. 3GPP has standardized two new communication technologies for IoT devices that uses the 4G network, but with new capabilities. Longer battery life for battery-driven devices, in some cases up to 10 years, and extended deeper coverage for devices that are placed in hard-to-reach locations, such as basements and installations underground. They are called Narrowband IoT and LTE-M. So, what are the differences between NB-IoT and LTE-M, and when to choose the one above the other one? Both technologies can utilize new techniques for transmitting data over signaling channels in the mobile network for consuming less power. Power save mode and extended DRx are also two new features that can be applied to reduce power when not actively transmitting data. The bandwidth and data rate is higher for LTE-M than for NB-IoT. NB-IoT can be more power effective, thus saving more battery life. Both technologies allow deeper coverage by utilizing repetitions and stronger modulation techniques in scenarios with challenging signal power. NB-IoT supports plus 20 dB higher link margin than other mobile technologies, and LTE-M plus 15 dB. LTE-M supports mobility, so you can hand over between base stations while actively transmitting data. NB-IoT devices, on the other hand, will only select a better base stations when they are idle. LTE-M can support voice by the Voice over LTE standard. LTE-M modules also tend to be more complex than NB-IoT models, supporting a wider set of communication protocols, while NB-IoT, on the other hand, utilizes UDP-based communication protocols. To summarize, if your application has low resource demands, sending, for example, sensor data with small and infrequent data packets deployed in areas with challenging radio conditions, and data volume will be approximately below 5 megabytes per year, NB-IoT is ideal for your application. For more resource-demanding applications and higher data volume, you should consider looking into LTE-M. This fall, we will make NB-IoT and LTE-M commercially available with nationwide coverage, including Svalbard. And we will offer competitive subscriptions tailor-made for the new standards. I hope this has been useful. Want to know more? Check out our digital technology guide or contact us at partnersolutions@telenor.com.